You can even see here, it mimics even stone, concrete. It's pretty amazing. And we just came out with exterior DI-NOC. As you can see here on this exterior, you have a lovely wood grain finish along with a black. Somebody didn't have to get up there and paint it. They just were able to apply the film, and it's got a great longevity. So by the time new trends come along, you can do it. It's got UV protection, so it's not going to fade in the sun. It might be a little rougher in some of the sunny areas like Las Vegas, but most other places it'll handle pretty long. As you can see, we warranted up to 10 years for exteriors.